Good morning, everyone. It is 11 o'clock right now. It is a beautiful Tuesday. I think, yes, it's a Tuesday today, the 2nd of June, 2020. Um, I hope everyone is all right and happy as I am. I hope everyone is excited as I am for the lesson that we're about to have. So, yeah, it's good that we are currently live right now on YouTube. And yeah, today what we're going to be doing is addition. So yesterday what we did was subtraction. We looked at the revision of subtraction, whether do we understand subtraction or not. And from your responses, I saw that it's that subtraction that you guys have actually now got the, how can I say, that you've understood the skill of subtraction. So now what we're going to be doing today is addition. We're going to be looking at addition. What is addition? How do we add everything that we can actually see? Do we have also the skill of adding? Can we add? What is addition? When I say addition, what do I mean addition? Do I mean like like what is addition? What is it to add? What does it mean to add? When I'm adding, when I want to add to something, what is it? So we're going to go through that again, as we've been doing so throughout the lessons. If you attended the first one, this one is going to be super. There are going to be some questions that are a bit challenging. There are some that are quite easy, but as addition goes, it's quite simple. If you understood subtraction yesterday, addition is going to be a walk in the park. So I hope everyone is excited, as happy as I am. And let us get into the lesson. So remember, as I always say, guys, here are the two methods in which I'd like that you guys contact me with. You can either give me a quick email, or you can either get me through Twitter. One of the two works for me. I love, even if you can use both, it's well, so that I can get feedback and know how you guys are doing, if you're fine. Let us communicate. Let us see that, are you guys fine? Are you guys understanding? Are you people getting confused? What do you understand? What don't you understand? So that if there's enough communication between the two of us, then I can know whether do I now start going a bit harder. What more should I add? What will be too challenging? What will be, all of that I'll get to know by you guys contacting me and telling me, and also doing your homework. So I can also assess by your homework to say, okay, you guys are understanding. But please, guys, also stay away from calculators for now. Stay away from calculators because they do not help. But keeping to that, please, guys, make sure, please make sure that you contact me. Let us work together. Let us see what do we understand, what don't we understand, so that when you guys get back into school, you are ready and prepared for the new, how can I put this? You are ready and prepared for the new um term, because soon we're going to start doing term 3 work. So let us make sure that we are communicating and we are very clear on most of the concepts that we're doing. So let us go in. We're looking at what is addition and how do you carry in addition. We're looking at what is addition and how do you carry in addition. What do I mean by carrying in addition?
You cannot
That
hear.
is what we're looking at. Right. So we're looking at what is addition and how do you carry in addition. Right. So this was yesterday's homework. I'm very proud. I can see, yeah, I this is what the feedback I got from yesterday. Those, thank you for the feedback I received from yesterday. So this is what I got from Blessing. Thank you for sending me the feedback of doing your homework. If you guys want me to show your homework on the slides, please do send it to me via email. Here's Dexter, our good friend. So now, what do we mean when we talk about addition? What do we mean when we're saying addition? What is it when you're adding? What is addition? Addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them and adding together, or adding them together. That is to the total sum of two or more numbers. Right. So when you're adding or putting together, when I speak about addition, right? When I say that I'm adding, when I speak about addition, it's like I take For example, I like using these staples. If I say I have one, right? I have one, and I get another one. Then I'll ask the question, how many do you have? I'll say I have two. How do I know that? I added this one to the other one. I put them together. So addition is putting together, adding, putting together. And in addition, the number increases. Things increase when you're talking about addition. That's why the example says you have 2 apples, someone can give you four more apples. You count them all together, then you find out that, look, I've got 6 apples. That is addition. When you're adding together, putting together, adding together, that is addition. Addition involves putting together, saying you've got 3 marbles, then you find 4 more marbles. When you add the 3 to the 4, how many marbles do you have all together? You have 7. That is addition, adding, addition. That is addition. So I'll give you guys just a minute or two just to write that down quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes to write that down. And then what we're going to do is that after that, we're going to try an example. So because we've done this before, I'm going to have you guys actually, so for 2 minutes, just put this down in your books in case you don't have it. Just put this down in your books and tell me in the chat, are you done writing or you're not done? Do you need more time? And then what we're going to do is that because we've done this before, what we're going to do is that I'm going to give you guys a question. You guys are going to do it, and then I'm going to explain after the question. You guys are going to explain how you added and all of that, because we have done this before. So we are here to just reinforce what we already know while reinforcing what we already know. So you have 2 minutes quickly just to write that down. And then tell me in the chat if you're done, if you're not done, if you need more time, just to write this down. And then we'll go into our questions. We'll go into the questions. Then we go into the questions. Then we go into the questions. Quickly, just jot this down. What addition is? What is addition? Putting together, adding, putting together, bringing together. That is addition. When I say I've got, like if I say, for example, that I've got 5 peaches and someone gave me 3 more peaches. Together, what do we have? 8 peaches. You're adding together, you're putting them together, and you recount. After you add, you can recount if you're doing actual things. Right. One minute remaining. Just tell me in the chat if you're done writing it down. That would be awesome. It would be awesome if you can just tell me in the chat if you're done writing it down. That would be awesome. Then we go into examples. Then we go into examples. And go into examples. One minute. 1 minute. All right, I see someone says they're not done writing. You still have enough time. You should not worry yourself. Just continue writing. Just continue writing. One minute. 1 minute. 1 minute to write. One minute left to write. About 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to give another 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have to go inside the lesson now. Let's go. Right, so let's try this one. I'll give you guys 2 minutes now. Or I'll give you guys a minute to do it. 1 minute to do it. And then after the minute, we'll go into the answers. This one is quite simple, so I'll just give you a minute to do it. The minute starts now. 1 minute, quickly do this one. Let's see how quick can you be. Quickly do this one. You've got 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute to do it. Quickly do this one. Quickly do it. Yes, quickly do this one. You've got 1 minute to do it. 1 minute to do it. Quickly do it. And then you can raise your hand if you are able to explain it for us. You can raise your hand if you're able to explain it for us. We've got 1 minute. 1 full minute. Quickly. Quickly do this one. Quickly. You've got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. If you can explain it, just raise your hand to show that you are able to explain it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Just raise your hand if you're able to explain it for us. This one is a quick one. This one is a quick one. 30 seconds left. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So who's willing now to help us? Who can tell us how they got the answer? I've got my first person.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you, sir?
I'm good. So how did you get the answer?
I used the sum of writing underneath, and then I said 3 plus 0 gave me 3, 2 plus 2 gave me 4, and then 2 plus 1 gave me 3. So the answer is
Awesome.
343.
You are a legend. You are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Anyone else? Anyone else who has maybe another method that they used? Or can I take this one as the method that all of you guys used? Who has another method that they used? Another method. Who has another method that they used? Hello? How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. What method did you use besides this one?
I done it at the same sum, but then I've basically done all the math in my head.
So you did it in your head?
Yes.
You are super. You are super. That's what I want, guys, that at the end of the day, I want you guys to be able to do it in your head. You see that what maths needs? Maths is a skill. So the minute you're able to take what we do and write what we write and put it and be able to do it in your head, it means that you understand. And once you understand, you will never forget it. You can even be 199 years old. You will never forget how to do it. Can even be, I don't know how old is the oldest person on earth. If they understood addition for the first time and are able to do it in their heads, they'll never forget it ever. But I'm looking for someone who can give us another method before we go to our next question. Hello?
Yes, me.
Yes. Do you have another method for us? Do you have another method of what? The answer
Yes,
yes?
I do. Yes,
All
I
right.
do.
No,
How I got my answer was that I started to add 100 plus 200 and 20 plus 20 and 0 plus 3 and 0 plus 3 equals to 343.
so you
And
added
I'm looking at
so you added like with the place value. With the place value. You said the hundreds plus the hundreds, the tens plus the tens, the units plus the units. Ah, you're
Yes.
awesome. You're awesome. You are awesome. So what our dear friend did was took, all right, took saying, okay, we've got hundreds here, we've got tens here, and we've got units. So all he did was add the hundreds with the hundreds, right? Or let me start at the back. It's the units plus the units. So it's 3 plus 0. All right? And then the tens with the tens. So it's 20 plus 20 again. And then the hundreds with the hundreds, it's what? 100. Oh, there must be a plus here. So it's 100, right? Plus 200. No, my handwriting of this thing is not as perfect, but let's just try. There we go. Then it just said, this plus this is 300. This plus this, 20 plus 20 is 40. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then you are done. That's another, this is beautiful. This is what I want to see, guys. This shows understanding. This shows that you've understood, that you are able to find, because the minute you're also able to use another method shows that you've understood. So it's 300 plus 40 will give you 343. Let us go to the next one. I hope you guys wrote this down if you did not get it right. Let us go to the next one. Let us add this one, which is, what is it? 310 plus 107. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do it. 1 minute to do it. 310 plus 107. 1 minute starts now. 1 minute. And you see that now we're starting to do these things quicker. It shows that we are understanding. The minute you start doing it quicker, it shows that you're understanding. So 310 plus 107, you have 1 minute. You have about 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. So once you have the answer, you can just raise your hand and you'll be able to explain it for us. Yes, once you have the answer. 310 plus 107. 310 plus 107. Quickly, you have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. 1 minute to do it. 1 minute. And then you guys will be able to explain. You guys will be actually now become my teachers. We've got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. 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 30 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who has our answer? And I want someone new. Who has our answer? Who can explain to us? Someone who has not already explained how they got the answer. Who can explain to us so that I can unmute you? Someone who has not already explained how they got the answer. I want everyone to have a chance. Who has our answer? Who can explain for us? I hope there's no one still doing the sum because it's a very quick one. All right, I have someone here.
100.
I have someone here.
100.
Hello. 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 I think they don't have the answer. It's fine.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good. So how did you get the answer?
I did the same as the other one.
What, like this?
Yes.
All right, so explain it to us what you did.
I said 0 plus 7 equals to 0. Then 1 plus
You mean 7,
0.
right? You mean 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Next. Next.
Me, sir.
No, I mean like continue.
Okay. 1. And then I said 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Then 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And I got 417.
You are super. You are super.
Nice thinking.
You are super. You are super. That is fantastic. That
I have
is
another way.
fantastic. You have another way.
Yes.
All right. Tell us your other way.
What I did was that I retracted 100 from the 7 and the 10, and I put together the 100 that equal 400, and I put together the 10 and the 7 that is 17, and then I squished them all together and said, and
Right.
made it 417.
You are awesome. You are awesome. You are awesome. So it's like that. The other method is taking the 100. You add the 100 with the 100. So it's just 300. Basically, you are doing this, but you're expanding it. Expanding meaning that you're going to have 300 here. You take 300 and then you say, then you write it out. You write everything out. Then you say plus 10 here, plus 0, right? That's what you do. 300 plus 10 plus 0. Then you go to the next one, which is 100. 100 plus 0 plus 7. Then you add everything together. You add the 0 with the 7. You add the 0 with the 7, you get 7. Add the 10 with the 0, you got 10. And then you add the 300. You add the 300 plus the 100, which is 400. Then you are done. That's how you get the final answer. Sorry that it's a bit unneat. Guys, also one more thing. Please do not unmute yourselves unless I do so. Please do not unmute yourself unless I do so. Please, please, please. We'll be making a mistake if you do that. Please do not unmute yourself unless I am the one to unmute you, because we'll be making a mistake and we don't want that to happen. Right. Let's do this one. This one, I will give you 2 minutes to do it. 2 minutes to do this one. And your 2 minutes start now. 2 minutes to do this sum. 2 minutes. Please do not unmute yourselves. I will unmute you. If you want to be unmuted, you just raise your hand. So you have 2 minutes to do the sum. Your 2 minutes have already started. 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 Right, 2 minutes to do the sum. 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to do the sum. You've got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. You've got 1 minute left. You've got 1 minute left. Just know, guys, you are not forced to speak. If you don't want to speak, it's fine. As long as you get and you understand, it's perfect. It's just that if you are able to explain to me, I get to see that you understand. That's all. But you have 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. So please, guys, please, please, please do this one. Do this one. If you are able to, if you want to explain, then just raise your hand and I'll unmute you. Then you can explain. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is willing to explain for us? Someone new. Someone who has not already explained, please help us with this one. Someone who has not already explained. Let me try here. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I'm good. Can you explain this one for us?
This one, I said 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. And then I write 2 and take over the 1. And then say.
So you wrote 2, all right. So you said 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So you wrote 2 and you took over the 1, eh?
Yes.
All right. Then
I said 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Plus 5 equals to 13. Then I carry over the 1 again.
Okay. Then and what did you do?
I said 1 plus 1 equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3.
Then you got
322.
You are awesome. You are awesome. You are awesome. That's all. Write the 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So you put the 2 here, you carry 1. Then 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 1 is 13. You put the 3 here, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, which is 332. Anyone else with another method? Anyone else with another method? Someone who has not already spoken, preferably. Let me try here. Think, okay, it's fine. So, all right. This is, I think this, as long as you are caring and you are able to show that you understand caring, it's awesome. That is a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. If you're able to show that you understand caring, it's a beautiful thing. Let us do the next one, the next question. Right. 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to do this one. Your 2 minutes start now. 309 plus 99. 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 You have 2 minutes to do it. You have 2 minutes to do it. 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. It's good. The faster you're able to do a sum, the better. Okay. 309 plus 99. Three 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. We're going to have time for questions. And if you guys are getting a bit confused, you can just tell me, and then we will be able to do it together. So 309 plus 99. Let's work at it together. Let's work at it together. 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. What time? How much time do you have to do? 30 seconds. 309 plus 99. 309 plus 99. All right. 309 plus 99. 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who can explain this one for us? Then I can also give it a go. Who can explain this one for us? Anyone who can explain this one for us? Who is able to explain this one for us? Let me try someone new. Hello. 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 Okay. fine. That happens.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Can you explain to us 309 plus 99?
In fact, I can, sir.
All right. What's the answer of 309 plus 99?
What I did was that
309 plus 99. Explain it to us.
I took the 9 away, and then I put the 90 was the 300,
Uh-huh.
and then I took
Uh-huh.
the 1 away from the 9, and then I plus the 8 and the 9 together.
Uh-huh.
That will equal 408.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. Let me just give it a go. Right. So we've got 9 plus 9 units. 9 plus 9 is what? It's 18. So having 9 plus 9, what do we do? What do we do? We put the 8. So we write down the 8 and then we carry 1. Right. So we're carrying a 10. Then we are saying that since this is 90, it's 90. Right. It's 90. But sometimes people say it's 9, but it's 90. 10 plus 90 is what? It's 100 itself. So that means that we don't have 10s anymore. And since we don't have 10s anymore, we're going to put a 0. We go back here and then we add that 1 here of the hundreds. Therefore, it's going to become 100 plus 300 is 408. Some people, yes, you did use that method of saying 9 plus 9, it's 8. Then you carried 1. Then 1 plus, then you say 1 plus 9 is 10. You put the 0, you carry 1. Then you have 1 plus 3 is 4. It's fine. It gives you the answer of 408, but you can use the idea of saying that we speak according to their place values so we don't get confused. That's why I said 9 plus 9 is 18. We put the 8 here of the units. We carry the 10 of 18. We put it on the other side. 10 plus 90 gives me 100, meaning that I don't have 10s anymore. That's why I put a 0. I go this side. I carry that 1 or that 100 to the other side. So 100 plus 300 gives me 400, and then I'm done. 408. What's the time? So I can give you your homework, and then, oh, one more. Yeah, let's do this one more. This last one for 1 minute, and then we are done. Let me put 1 minute on the clock. Your minute starts now. There we go. Put 1 minute on the clock. Your minute starts now. Let's do this one quickly. Then we go and I put up the homework, and then it is done. Then we are done. Then we are done. Then we are done. So you've got 1 minute to do this one. Quickly do this one for 1 minute. I hope we are understanding, guys. I hope we are understanding, especially the part about caring. Because once you understand that part, then it's awesome. Once you understand that part, then it's awesome. Once you understand that part, then it's awesome.
So I'm done.
Awesome. Awesome. Just mute yourself there, please. Just mute yourself. Just mute yourself there. Please, 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 guys. Don't unmute yourselves, please, guys. I beg you from the bottom of my heart. Please do not unmute yourself. I will just raise your hand and I will unmute you. Plus, if you've already explained, I must give other people a chance. So please, 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 let us do that. Right. You've got 30 seconds left of your minute. 30 seconds left of your minute. You have 30 seconds left of your minute. "30 seconds left of your minute." Right. So I see that you guys are understanding through the chat. It's awesome. So you've got 30 seconds left of your minute. 30 seconds. And then I want someone that we have not spoken to today to explain to us. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Hello. 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 Think. All right, it's fine. I'll explain it because I need to show you homework. Right. So all we did was write 329 plus 101 on top of each other. Then we said 9 plus 1 is 10. We can't write 10. So we put the 0 and we carry the 1. The 10 part of 10 goes to the other side because we don't have units anymore. 10 plus 20 is what? 30, but we can only write one digit. So we write the first digit, which is 3. And then 300 plus 100 is 400. So our final answer is 430. Then you are done. Final answer is 430. I'll give you guys 10 seconds to write this down. Let me say, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And another one, just to make sure you have it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is your homework. Are there any questions? Here is your homework. Quickly write down your homework. Write as many questions as possible. Write as many questions as possible. Here is your homework, guys. Here is your homework. So once you're able to do all of these sums, then you are ready. So here is your homework. You have 3 minutes left to write down your homework. Here is your homework. Here is your homework. Write down your homework. And then you can send the answers to me through email. So here is your homework. Here is your homework. Here is your homework. Please write down your homework. Here is your homework. Yes, so if there's anyone with a question, you can ask now or forever hold your peace. I think I've got one person has a question. Here's a question. Hello? Seems not to be working. It's fine. If it's the network is not working with us, you can just send me an email with your question and then I can address it through there. But if it's working, then you can speak. But if it's not, it's fine. But if there's no other question, then it's okay.
Bye, sir.
Hello? Oh,
I said bye,
right.
sir.
Oh, bye-bye. So if there's no other question, then it's fine. You have 2 minutes left to write down your homework. Please make sure you write down your homework. Every person must please make sure that they write down their homework. Everyone, please write down your homework. Make sure you've written down your homework. And then, that's it. Please make sure you write down your homework. You've got 1 minute left. Oh, actually, it's time up. Guys, thank you very much for attending the lesson. Thank you guys for being super students. Thank you for being amazing students. I love you all one by one with all my heart. Tomorrow, we are doing multiplication. So we're going to see each other then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye,
Bye.
sir. All right, sir. Bye. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
And natural almond oil gives you 48-hour deep moisture. You can see and feel. Celebrate.
This is my bed.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.